recommended for guests who are viewing enclosed spaces. If you would like to exit, please see any team member park at the lobby. Once again, the Simpsons Ride is not recommended for those who appear in enclosed spaces.
Hey, it's me, Krusty! Congratulations, the line's almost over. Only 45 more minutes. Just kidding, I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie! You're fired, and leave the suit. Alright, get this thing off. Go, kick the suit! One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day in my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park. But rest assured, my crackerjack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go. To the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Alright, you guys, door will be closed. Just watch it out. There's gonna be 4 seats in the front and 4 in the back. No flash photography once you enter the vehicle. Watch out with the door.
Now, if a human being were to enter that...
A few moments later.
Keep the screaming down. I have a math test to study for. If I don't get a C, I get kicked out of the audio-visual club.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
Roller coaster!
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, don't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my doctor!
Unexpected. So anyway, where do you all?
They said to stay safe.
See your car! You guys
ride. Ooh, at least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up! Say we.
Alone at last.
I was trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
I want to be fair. A piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Or it's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? Uh-oh. I hate chain reactions.
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! All right, continue round!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit. Marge, get away from the ramp. I need ramps.
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
The radiation get to Maggie!
Boy, they grow up so fast.
Tata tourists!
Come on, there. Hey, bird is here.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
Maybe a sweat and presume drinking.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Destroy something!
Wait for my baby.
Maggie, that's not a pacifier!
Those tourists out of your mouth. Where they've been.
Home sweet. Go! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are dropping my
This must be the part where I take your picture. Okay, smile.
You got 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, that's all right. Hey, what does this do?